In today's video, I am going to teach you how to start using Gusto payroll software for beginners. Once you are on the Gusto home screen, click Get Started. You will be asked for a few basics to create your account and begin setup. Enter your company name and then enter a business email address that you can access. Use an address you check regularly, since Gusto will send important setup updates and employee invitations there. After that, look for the Setup Progress bar and select Company Details. This is where you enter two key items, your EIN and your business address. Make sure these match your official business records because payroll tax filings depend on accurate legal and location information. Take a moment to double-check spelling, suite numbers, and your zip code before you move on. Next, select Bank Account. Gusto will prompt you to link your business checking account, and the fastest method is to use Plaid for instant verification. Follow the prompts to connect the correct business account, since this is the account Gusto will use to pay employees and handle tax payments. If your bank offers multiple account types, choose the one you use for payroll so your bookkeeping stays clean. Then go to State Tax Setup. Here you will enter your state account numbers for each state where you have employees. This step helps Gusto calculate and file the right state payroll taxes. Enter the numbers carefully, because even a single wrong digit can cause delays later. Now it is time to add your team. Click Add Employees, then choose Hire a New Person. Enter the employee's name and email address to send a digital invite. This invite lets them complete their personal and tax details securely, which saves you time and reduces data entry errors. Next, open Pay Schedules and choose your pay frequency, such as bi-weekly. Pick a schedule that matches how you plan to run payroll consistently, since pay frequency affects pay periods, deadlines, and planning your cash flow. Finally, under Tax Setup, click Verify and Sign. This is where you electronically sign the federal and state authorization forms, so Gusto can file and pay taxes on your behalf. Review everything, sign, and submit to finish the core setup. That covers everything you need to know.